Ever wonder where your money goes? One day it's payday and you feel rich, then suddenly it's gone. You're left wondering, where did it all go? It's like your money has disappeared into thin air. We've all been there. But there's a solution, the cash envelope system. Imagine this, you open your wallet and you see separate envelopes. Each one is labelled with a spending category: groceries, rent, fun, money. This is the cash envelope system. You put cash in each envelope and that's all you spend in that category. It's a simple idea, but it's powerful. Why? Because it makes your spending visible. You see exactly where your money is going. No more mystery, no more overspending. By allocating specific amounts to each category, you gain control over your finances. You know exactly how much you have left to spend, and it helps you avoid impulse purchases. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. This method encourages discipline and mindful spending. It can also be a great tool for couples or families to manage their finances together. Everyone knows the limits and can work towards common financial goals. Over time, you'll find that you save more and spend less. The cash envelope system can lead to a healthier financial future. It reduces financial stress and gives you peace of mind. So give it a try and experience the power of envelopes for yourself. You might be surprised at how much it can change your financial life. Start today and take control of your spending. The power of envelopes is in your hands. Now, you might be thinking, cash, who uses cash anymore? That's where digital cash envelopes come in. It's the same great system, but you track your spending digitally. No more bulky envelopes. You can use budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet. The key is to divide your money into categories and track your spending carefully. There are so many great digital tools out there. You can find apps specifically designed for cash envelope budgeting, or you can use a spreadsheet app or a budgeting feature in your online banking. Experiment and find what works for you. Remember, the best tool is the one you'll actually use. Setting up your envelopes, a step-by-step guide. Ready to get started? This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your digital cash envelopes, a method that can help you manage your finances more effectively and ensure you stay within your budget. Let's dive in. Here's how to set up your digital cash envelopes. First, track your spending. This is a crucial step because understanding where your money goes is the foundation of effective budgeting. For a month, write down everything you spend. This includes every coffee, every grocery trip, and every online purchase. It might seem tedious, but it's essential for getting a clear picture of your spending habits. This will help you see where your money's going. You might be surprised at how much you spend on certain categories. Next, create your categories. This step involves grouping your expenses into different categories. Decide which spending categories you need. Think about your regular expenses and any occasional ones. Common categories include groceries, rent or mortgage, transportation and entertainment, but you might have others like dining out, subscriptions, or savings. Some common ones are groceries, rent or mortgage, transportation, and entertainment. Then set your limits. This means deciding how much money you can realistically spend in each category without overspending. Decide how much money you can spend in each category. Be realistic. Look at your past spending to set these limits. If you find that you're spending too much in one area, consider cutting back or reallocating funds from another category. Finally, fund your envelopes. When you get paid, move the allotted amount into each digital envelope. This means transferring the budgeted amount for each category into its respective envelope. This way you can easily track your spending and ensure you don't go over budget. Remember, the goal is to stick to these limits and adjust as needed. Happy budgeting! Budgeting bliss, making your envelopes work for you. Now that your envelopes are set up, it's time to use them. When you make a purchase, subtract the amount from the corresponding envelope. This might sound tedious, but it only takes a minute and the benefits are huge. You'll be amazed at how much more aware you become of your spending. Real life savings, my digital envelope success story. I started using digital cash envelopes a few years ago and it's been life-changing. Before, I always felt like I was running out of money before the end of the month. I would constantly worry about unexpected expenses and how I would manage to cover them. It felt like I was in a never-ending cycle of financial stress. Now I feel in control of my finances. The digital envelope system has given me a clear picture of where my money's going. I allocate funds to different categories like groceries, utilities, and entertainment, and I stick to those limits. This method has helped me avoid overspending and has made budgeting a lot more manageable. I've been able to save more money than ever before. By setting aside specific amounts for savings each month, I've built a substantial emergency fund. This has given me peace of mind knowing that I have a financial cushion to fall back on in case of unexpected events. I even used my vacation fund envelope to go on my dream trip to Hawaii. It was an incredible experience and I didn't have to worry about going into debt to make it happen. The digital envelope system has truly transformed my financial life, allowing me to enjoy the things I love without the stress of financial uncertainty. If you're struggling with managing your finances, I highly recommend giving digital cash envelopes a try. It's a simple yet effective way to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or just get a better handle on your spending, this system can make a huge difference. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. With the right tools and mindset, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Start your own digital envelope success story today. Ready to master your money? You don't have to wonder where your money is going anymore. The digital cash envelope system can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. It's time to stop feeling stressed about money. You can do this. Join the journey, subscribe and share. Ready to start your own digital cash envelope journey? Subscribe to Online with Teresa for more budgeting tips and tricks. And be sure to comment below and share your own experiences. Let's do this together.